Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to make money on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or of course guys, that if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Likee. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have 5 tabs. We have your profile, of course, and everything about that. Messages. We have the big black and white button where you can go and put all your own content. We have the Explore tab. And at the end, guys, we have the, of course, For You page. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and make money on Likee. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So earnings are through crowns. So through getting crowns, that is how you're getting your earnings on Likee. You have to, of course, have sponsorships and promotional pay. Without that, you will not earn any money. Live streaming on the app and participating in challenges is also a good thing to do. Using Go Live in Likee to earn more. Increasing content visibility through hashtags, of course. Affiliate marketing and collaborations. And you can manage personal brands and campaigns on Likee, so that is also something you can do. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a time, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.